Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I have my cheap weed eater, brush cutter or whatever you want to call it, that the ignition has stopped working. Although this is a very cheap brush cutter, about 80 euros if I remember correctly, I bought it, and it has been working for me for, I don't know, 6-7 years at least now, but it looks like the ignition has gone bad. I probably should have cleaned it at some time. There you can see the cylinder head is full of crap, as well as the this here. I want to take a look how the two ignitions compare. So this is the new one and this is the old one. I don't have a very good multimeter with me, but we should be able to do the testing. This one is set at 20k, and first of all let's see how the original one measures. So we will measure between the metal part there and the pin. Let me get out of there. So that is 260 ohms. Let's check with the spark plug connector, and we can see we have no connection there and no connection from there. So it looks the coil inside might have gone bad. Let's see and compare the new one. So here we don't get any measurements. It looks like this is open. And if we check with the spark plug connector, we can see we have about 2.7 kilo ohms. So this one, of course, is the new one and should be working alright. I think this should be open, as it here is what the switch shorts with the body of the engine, and that's what stops the ignition. Let's clean the engine a little bit and install the new coil and see if that solves the problem. So this is the spot for the ignition coil, and this is how you get it on here. Of course the magnet attracts it at the moment, and in order to get the gap, which is very important here, correct, I will use just a piece of paper. It's from the spark plug box. Now I'm going to use a different spot to install the screws. So here's one. Oh no. So the holes are not correct. So I have grinded the holes a little bit. I broke also the lamination. I hope it should be okay. In order to make the screw fit there, and we should have the adjustment we want. Just start the first screw. And here we will need this one as well, which operates the kill switch. So let's try to fit it. So get it as close as possible. And look at that. It looks okay. Now let's try to fit the puller and see what we've done. Now let's try to see if we've got spark. And I don't know if you can see it, but we do have. That's good. So the trimmer is back together. This is it. And now let's try to start. So this is it, moment of truth. Will it run? Choke. Oh, that's nice. So there you go. So that was it for this video. Hit the like button if you found this video interesting, and please consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.